you ready to take control of your survival skills? Introducing Survive and Thrive. Easy DIY survival tips and tricks. The essential guide for anyone wanting to be prepared for any situation. Packed with over 36 chapters of expert advice, this book is designed to turn you into a self-reliant survivalist. Learn how to master survival psychology, navigate emergencies, and apply the rule of threes, the crucial steps to staying alive in critical conditions. From building shelters to finding clean water, you'll discover step-by-step instructions that make DIY survival simple, even for beginners. Whether you're outdoor enthusiast, a seasoned prepper, or just want to be ready for the unexpected, Survive and Thrive has everything you need. Why wait? Empower yourself with real-world strategies that have already helped thousands of readers. Pre-order your copy today and start thriving in any situation. Remember, survival isn't just about staying alive, it's about thriving. Survive and Thrive is available on Insert Store or platform here starting September 25, 2024.